Day before the big holiday, because I live in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and I'm going to take you around tonight and show you the lights. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit cold out today. But anyway, I'm going to take you along with me tonight. I'm going to show you why they call it Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It's absolutely beautiful. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. I'm headed out to go get a camera holder so I can mount it on my dash. So that way I can show you guys some of the lights. We're going into Costco. Boy, that looks so good. It's too bad it has meat in it. So I ended up picking up a quinoa salad at Costco. They are so good. Now off to Walmart. Now it's time to head to Falls Park. Let's go. Piggy. Oh, look at that seahorse. Where I'll be taking you tonight. This place is going to look a lot different come tonight. It's going to be full of lights. There's the tower that you can go up on. I'll take you up there and I'll show you what it looks like from up there. This is why they call Sioux Falls, Sioux Falls. Pretty cool, huh? A little history on it. There's the old bread mill right up top.
I can see the whole world. Mom, there, I can see a castle.
Okay, well, if you made it this far into the video, I really do hope that you enjoyed. all the lights in Falls Park and being able to see a little bit of the town that I live in. And from Jax and myself, we wish you happy holidays. Remember to smile, stay positive, and a new year is coming. So until I see you again in my next video, y'all been wonderful. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. It really helps out my channel. And once again, from both Jax and myself, we wish you happy holidays. So until this little guy, you see his little sweater. He got a little sweater on. Yeah, you see? You're just full of kisses, aren't you? Anyway, once again, from Jax and myself, we wish you the happiest of holidays. And until my next video, we shall, think about it, see you again. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great holiday. Later.